A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of central Webb County through 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Unitek Industrial Park, or 10 miles north of Laredo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Laredo, Texas A&M, Laredo International Airport, Boddens, Unitek Industrial Park, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Ranchos Penitas West, Orville and Ranquitos Las Lomas. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 23. U.S. Highway 59 between mile markers 812 and 824. US Highway 83 between mile markers 696 and 698. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The Laredo Climate Summary for this evening.
Care about you. I can't live like this. Come on, I mean it. Oh man, you're just tired. You've been through a lot. I need you to do something for me. Anything. You need to let me go. What? What else is around? Come on, I'm serious. Hey. You heard Jack. You're gonna be fine. Hear me? You're gonna be fine. You're gonna have a long life ahead of you. It's not a life, Bobby. It's not my life. It's not. I'm serious. Disconnect the box. Please. I can't do that. No, I can't. I'm sorry.
Detective Whelan? Your father's here.
Bring him in. Why don't I take Dad downstairs for something to eat? I'll let you get some rest. No. I want to see him. You gonna be okay? See you in a bit.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood warning for central Webb County in south-central Texas until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Laredo International Airport, Orville, Texas A&M, St. Augustine High School South Laredo and Laredo Community College. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.